So guys, if you notice, this one has been dry blasted before, as well as this one. These two have not. So this is what they look like before they go into the Gladiator. And we try to do our best to get into the clutch housing area as well. You can see how dirty this one is, and that's usually the dirtiest portion of this transmission housing. But putting it in there with a lot of this geometry that is on this part, we should be able to cover about 90%. That way when we throw it into a touch-up cabinet, it will then look something like this when it's finished. After about 5 minutes of touch-up with just straight glass bead in it, I managed to get this result, which is very good for only running this transmission housing in the Gladiator for 30 minutes. Ran it for 2 cycles. One was about 15 minutes, the other was about 16 minutes. So we sat at around 31 minutes total. And then I put it into a Weekend Warrior with just straight 170 to 325 glass bead, and this is the result. These had similar cycle times, some plus or minus depending on the situation, how dirty they were, but they all came out looking very pristine, very nice. Honestly, I think that's better than OEM quality. If you guys are very interested in the machine and you like what you see, definitely give the sales team a call. Chat with us on Instagram at Vapor Honing Technologies. Check out our website, www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com, and we will answer any questions needed. Thank you.